How to fix Uber promo not applying. So, for that, first of all, open up Uber, log into your account. Once logged in, go to Account, then select Wallet. Inside here, look for promotion and then check that your promo code has been added correctly. If promo is not showing or working, read its terms carefully. Uber promotion can have expiration date, location restriction, specific ride requirement, or eligibility rules. Also, some promotion are automatically applied to the next eligible trip, so you may not need to enter the code again. Before requesting your ride, check the fare details to see whether the promotion is showing. If you already completed the trip and believe an eligible promo was not applied, you can open up Activity, select that trip, then choose Get Trip Help. From there, report the promotion issue to the Uber support. And that is how you can fix an Uber promo that's not applying. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.